Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at how to get the Bloggin theme looking like the demo. You can see the Bloggin theme here. Lots of nice big pictures, big text. So we're going to start with blank canvas. So this is just a basic installation of WordPress. No posts on it, just nice and simple. So let's go ahead into the dashboard. Now the first thing to do is to obviously download the files. So once you've downloaded those, you'll get a zip file. If you unzip that file, it'll create a folder called Bloggin. Inside here you can see the documentation folder, Bloggin child theme, and the Bloggin theme to upload. So if we go back to the admin area and click on appearance and themes, and click on the install themes tab. Now if you click on the upload link, it'll take you to the upload page and you can choose the file. So we'll go to that downloads folder, Bloggin, and upload the Bloggin theme to upload.zip file. And click on the install now button. That will install the theme, and we can click on the activate link. That'll take you to the theme options. We'll go over the theme options in a bit, but for now just click on save options and that will bring through all the basic stuff. And if you go to the demo site or the new site, you can click and see an empty theme. So first thing you're going to do is set up the widgets. So that widget shouldn't be there. So you see there's no widgets area at the moment. What will happen when you first install it, I did a test on this before the video, this is why this is happening now, but when you install this theme for the first time, you'll see a bunch of default widgets down there. You just click and drag them off the bottom widgets on the appearance widgets page, and we can start afresh. So the three widgets that we want to add are a text widget, a dribble widget, and a categories widget. So the first thing to do is the text widget. So let's just drag on the text widget and I'll just copy and paste. The button is just a standard link with the class of button. So we'll just add some HTML there, automatically add the paragraphs, click save, and if we go to the demo, there we go, it's there. The next widget is the dribble widget. Now this widget comes from a plugin of mine, which you can download for free if you just go to plugins, add new, and go to type in similar widgets, search plugins, install now, okay. That will download and install the plugin, and you should get a link to activate the plugin. And once that's done, you can just go back to appearance and widgets and drag on the similar widgets dribble widget and add in the username. We'll just use Envato, and we just want to show one, and there it is. Finally, the categories, which is just the standard categories widget. Give it title categories, and woohoo! There we go. There's no categories apparently. Are we in? I think that's because there's no posts yet. Okay, so we'll come back to the menu later once we add some pages and things. But for now, let's create a post. So it's going to first create a standard blog post, and the example in the demo is our amazing trip to Big Sur post. So let's take that title and take the content. Don't think that copied. There you go. So we'll add in a more tag. Now the more tag is where the continue reading button will show if you're on the archive and homepage views. So we'll add that in there. The format is the standard format. We'll add it to the uncategorized category. Let's add some tags. So holidays, photography, and Big Sur. Click add. Now you need to set the featured image. So you want that nice big image of Big Sur, and I stored that in the documents folder, and we called it post image 1. These images are available on a site called burningwell.com, or is it .org? Maybe .org. Yeah, burningwell.org. Some nice free public domain images on here which you can use if you need to set up any demos or anything. So I'll just set the featured image. There we go, it'll appear down there. And if we click on publish and go back to the website, it should show. Look at that, perfect. So the continue reading button shows perfectly fine. Categories, tags, click on continue reading. It should take us to the third paragraph, and there it is, the third paragraph. And there's no comments on the post. So that's a standard blog post. So let's go through the different formats. So we'll add a new post and we'll add an A-side post. And let's see what we did for the A-side post on the demo. Yep, just some basic text. Select the A-side format, add it to a category, set some tags or a featured image if you want. In this case we won't, we'll just click publish, and on the site it will appear without any title or post meter information or anything like that, hopefully. Why is that not showing? Oh, it's because I'm on the single view. Go to the home page, and there we go, basic A-side post. Next format is the gallery, so add a new post. Give it a title, let's call it gallery example. In here the gallery was, let's call it the same thing as this actually. There's some photographs from my latest trip around the world. I'll add in some text again. Now for the gallery, we need to add a normal WordPress gallery. So we click on add media, click on upload files, select files, and it's on here, it's post image 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those files will upload. Once they've finished uploading, we'll click the create gallery link up here, and then create a new gallery button down there, and let's add some captions. So Big Sur, boardwalk, a bridge, and some boats. And click on insert gallery, and it will add it as a normal WordPress gallery into the post. Now if we just click on the gallery radio button there, and to the uncategorized, let's add some tags, photography, there's a boat in there, wasn't there? So there we go, add new, and then click on publish. And refresh the home page. And voila, there we go. Gallery, captions, images, perfect. There's the gallery. Next up is a link post. So a link example. Great search engine called Google. So just add some normal paragraph text, highlight it, click on the link, and add the link in there. Add link, set the format as link, and click on publish. So a link a link post format is just simply a link inside the post content. So if we refresh the home page, there we go, and that will link to Google. Right, next up is an image post. So an image post is exactly the same as a normal post, except it has an image in it. So we're just going to set this up as a normal post. So an image post, some text will go here. I'll select image and we'll set the featured image. Let's just pick one we've already uploaded. There you go, some nice boats. Set featured image and publish. And should show, there we go. The only real difference on the front of the site here is that the icon is now a camera as opposed to a little pencil in a box as it is for the post. Okay, the next one is a quote post, so add new, and we'll take the quote that we added on the demo. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. A great Mark Twain quote, that one. So we'll give it a title, Mark Twain quote. Add in the text there. We highlight it and then we click the block quote button there. You see it styled it there like that. Now if we go to the text view, we can add the citation tag. So that's just cite, C-I-T-E, and then again with a backslash or forward slash, whatever that one is, and then we'll add Mark Twain in there. We'll just give it a line break, a visual, and there you go, you can see. And we'll set the format as quote and click publish. And there we go, nice quote. Next up, status. So where's the status example on the demo? Computer's getting a little slow now. So this is the status here. Status is like a Facebook post or a Twitter post, you know, nice and short. So status example, just add the text in there. Click on status, and as with the A side post, it won't show the title and the meta information. It'll just show the status. There we go, a nice big text. Next up is the video. So the theme comes with compatibility with YouTube and Vimeo by simply adding a link, but you can add some video code if you use another service. So let's, in fact, I'm going to do the proper video here. So I'm going to do this one here, which is a great video. If you've never watched it, I suggest you do watch it. So we'll put a title in there and we'll put some text in there. We'll select the video format, and down here you will see the video options. So as I said, you can add the URL to the video if you're using YouTube and Vimeo, or you can add some embed code. So we're going to, I have to play this to get the link, aren't I? Pause that, go on to YouTube. So this is the link to, so we'll just copy that and paste it into the URL box there. Now, because this theme has nice big images, it would do a disservice to the theme if we just pulled in the video as an embedded video, because the images they use on YouTube and Vimeo and places like that are very low quality images. So on this theme we require you to upload a featured image, which will be the placeholder image for the video. So for this video, it's just video. That's a still that I took from the video earlier. I'll just set that as the featured image. Click on publish and refresh the site. You see now it's using that nice, fairly good quality image. I mean, it's still a screenshot, it's not going to be amazing, but it's better than using the image that you'll get from the actual video. So now you just click play, it'll slide down nicely and play the video. Amazing video, seriously watch it if you have the chance. Right, I can hide the video again. So that's YouTube. Let's add a Vimeo video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add this one, and this one is on Vimeo. So let's play the video and then go to Vimeo to get it. In fact, in this one, we're going to use the embed code instead. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's pause it, click on share. I'll get this iframe code here. We scroll down to here and click on the or add some embed code field. Just paste that in. Don't want the attribute, so you just want the iframe there. You don't need to worry about the width and height. The theme will overwrite that with whatever is supposed to, the width and the height that it's supposed to be. So we've set that. I think we need to add in question mark autoplay equals 1 for it to autoplay automatically when you click on the play video. I'll set the featured image. Can open, and once it's uploaded, set featured image. And some tags. Video I'll do. Give it some text and choose the video post format. Refresh the site and hopefully that all worked. There we go, there's the image, and let's click on play video. There we go, all working great. Another great video if you get a chance to watch it. Let's hide that. So that's video sorted. Next on to audio. So I have to remember which audio file was I downloaded. I should check. So it was this one. Right. Let's create a new post. I give it a title. I don't think really. Oh, good. Some content, select audio. If we scroll down here and click onto audio options, you can upload the MP3 file. Find it, Josh Woodward, amazing artist, gives all of his music away, or majority of the music away, or a lot of his music away on his website. Definitely check him out, he's really good. I'll use this file. You can see it's added the link into there, and click on publish, refresh the site, and there we go. So the audio file, the audio player will convert into this nicely designed audio player up here. You just click on play and it'll play the audio. Fully functioning audio player there on the audio post. And the final post format is the chat post format, so we'll click add new, and we will, all these videos playing in the background are make my fans go crazy on my laptop. If you're wondering what that noise is. Right, so let's select the chat text. So chat example post. text. So this is just normal paragraph text. Each paragraph will get styled alternatively, so you can see the difference in the grey colour. That's just to separate each section nicely. We'll select the chat format there. Don't need to do anything there. Click publish. And if we refresh the site, woohoo, there we go. The chat post is there. So that's all of the post formats. That's how you add posts in blogging. Nice and easy, very, very normal. If you've ever used WordPress before, there's nothing too complex there. It's a blogging theme. It's designed to be easy. So let's set up the portfolio section. Now I didn't download any pictures for this, so we're just going to use the same images as the blog, I'm afraid. So let's create an example portfolio item, and let's add some basic text. Couple of paragraphs there. Let's add an example category, so the portfolio category. I'll create a sidebar widget. So what I did lots on this project, including this and this. Now we'll add some images. Upload an image, select files. So we'll just take them from the media library. I'll use this one at the bridge. And we'll use the one of the boats. Add a caption. This is a caption for the boats, and this is a caption for the bridge. Close these up. So let's say we want to swap them around. So we want the bridge second. So we'll do that, and we'll set the featured image, and we'll use that one as the boats. Set featured image and click on publish. Review the portfolio item. See, there we go. And you can scroll between the different images. The what I did widget is over there, and the content is there. So now we need to create the portfolio page. So we'll go to pages and add new. We'll give the title portfolio, and we'll just set the template to portfolio and click publish. Come view page. There you go. It's brought in that item there, and it's also brought in comments. Let's remove the comments on this page. Example portfolio item. So let's just add another one. Portfolio items, add new. Another portfolio item. What I did even more on this project. I did this, and this. I'll click on add new image, upload. We're going to talk about media library. We'll grab that image of Biggs, shall we? Use that file and set the featured image to the same file. Let's create a second category, a new portfolio category, and publish. If we now go to the portfolio page, both of those portfolio items should now appear. And there we go, they do. So we have another portfolio item, an example portfolio item. If we click on the filters, there we go, all working. So now we have the portfolio page, we have the blogs, the blog post set up. We can now set up the menu and make it look like the full site. So let's go to appearance and menus. We'll create a new menu, assign it, and then let's click on view all under the pages and add the home page and the portfolio page. Let's say we want to add the portfolio categories to the menu as well. So there we go, add those. Put them underneath the portfolio menu there, and set the blog category in there as well, uncategorized. Click on save, and if we go to the site, there we go, there's the menu. Perfect. Right, so now let's set up the other theme options that we have on here. I'm not going to set up a logo, but that's simple enough. You just upload your logo as you would a normal image, using the WordPress uploader. The Retina logo is the same as the logo, but twice the size if you want to use a Retina version. The alternative title, we'll set this up, and let's call this my blog title. Save options, and you should see the site title will change. Refresh it again. There you go, my blog title. I'm going to add some social links to the menu on the left of the search icon there. So click on add new social link, click select icon, and let's choose the icon and add the link. So this is a Facebook link. Let's add a Twitter link. We don't want to disable the search function, and we don't want to disable the menu, so let's move on to styling. And there's a bunch of Google fonts available here, and some web safe standard fonts as well. So you can choose the heading font and the paragraph font. You can choose the background color. By default it's that dark grey. Let's change it to a dark red. There we go. We'll leave everything else there. You can add some custom CSS if you want to. In the portfolio, you can hide the link icon. So the link icon is, if you go to the portfolio, the link icon is this icon here that links to the actual portfolio section. So let's say you only want to show pictures in your portfolio and you want to just open up in the lightbox, then you may want to disable the link icon. You could do that in the portfolio tab of the theme options. You can also set the number of columns you want from 3 to 4, and you can set the footer text, which is what shows right down here at the bottom of the website. Okay, so let's save the options that we have there. Go back up to the top, and I think this should change to red, and you should see some social icons come up over here on the right. There you go, so it's red and the social icons are there. Perfect. So those are the theme options. The only thing left, I think, is shortcodes. If you want to use shortcodes on your website, then the theme uses my shortcodes plugin, and you can access that from the plugins, add new in the admin, and type in Simnor shortcodes. Search for the plugin. click on the install now link. Okay. Wait for it to download and install. Click on activate plugin. Now if you create a page or a post, you can see in the toolbar hopefully this new icon here. So let's just create a shortcode example page. Let's add a button. So just click that link. You can see there's a whole bunch of shortcodes available here, nice and easy to use. Just want the button at the moment, so let's link to Google. You can add an icon if you would like an icon. There's a whole load here for you. You can choose. I don't want to add an icon, so I'll just close that. Link to Google. We want to use the theme default for the color, so that's blue, that nice link blue. Medium size, you want the edge to be, let's have a rounded edge. Let's open it into a new tab. Click on insert shortcode, and you can see it adds the shortcode there. If you click on publish, and click on view page, there you go. Nice link. Nice button link, I should say. So let's add some other stuff. So let's add a social link. You see there's two icons that's available, so we'll use this one up here because this is the one that's in the theme as well. Twitter.com and Pinterest. Insert. Let's add a couple of columns of text. So some text in the left column will go here, and some text in the right column will go here. I need to add a bit more because it's going to look a bit empty, isn't it? Let's just add some text, insert shortcode. There you go. So we've got columns there. Let's add an accordion. Let's have a music icon. Play that music loud. Some text here. We'll show that one open. Search for something. Play some videos. Insert. So there we go, there's a few examples of the shortcodes available. We update the page and refresh. There we go, so we've got the link, the button link here. We've got some social links, 2 columns of text, and an accordion. So there we go. That's the shortcodes. I think that is everything. Let's just look at the original demo and make sure we haven't forgotten anything. Portfolio, shortcodes, typography is just normal text, and then widgets. So there we go. We have Bloggin all set up, ready for you to add some posts. Enjoy. If you have any problems, any issues, then go to simnorlabs.com/support, and that will take you to documentation, knowledge base, articles, if you need it, a good old support forum. So have fun.